Okay, so padayan lang kita. So, letter B. The maximum displacement of the glider from the equilibrium point. I think pinakamadagmit hini. Let's open up a pinakamadagmit hini is 2.15 Newton. An equation nga nasa rin. You have acceleration x is equal to negative kl over mx. Yan. So, as you can see from this equation, your acceleration is directly proportional to your x. Manamin nga x it pakiana. Meaning, pinakadakot imo ax, pinakadakot imo distance. Because again, that's a direct proportional. Okay? So, therefore, you can rule out that x would be equal to m ax all over k. Actually, negative it una nga magawas kahit una kasi nga may hinabo kung ginunat hiya pagbuhi ka sa iya is based on the equation is makadihiya una nga gilid which is a negative value. Okay, but again pwede tiya positive. Okay, yun nga equation pwede tiya positive, meaning it magawas din kung negative man pareho lang tiya positive pagbalik ka tingali right side. So I think the mass was already calculated kayo na 0.253. I think in-store ko ito. Alpha A 0.2533 something to 0.25 3 kilogram something. So kukuha ko nala. And then your acceleration from the problem demand, your highest acceleration is 12. So you can use that or negative 12. Pwede ko yung negative 12. I could use actually the negative 12 para ang kaloyo utiyang acceleration. Meaning, ang negative 12 kasi nimo kung movement na niya to the right. Tapos mabalik niya because of that negative acceleration. So, pwede ko tiya negative 12. Pwede ko positive. Kaya kasi kung malatiyan, iya pinakadako. So, you have that 0.253 kilogram and then you have that 12 meters per second squared all over k, which is given from the problem, which is 2.50 Newton. 2.50 Newton per centimeter. And we know that kilogram meters per second squared is Newton. So actually, diretso na niya. So kung gingamit ko dito is negative 12 and ubos. So I could use that. That would be alpha A times 12 all over 2.50. And that will give me answer in centimeter 1.22 in centimeter, which is x. Kapag meter ta medyo magutin do. Okay, that is letter B. And then we go to letter C, the maximum force the spring exerts. So again, based on that equation, your acceleration is equal to F all over M. Diretso lang yan. So therefore, your maximum force is just equal to MA, which is basically the normal. Diba? Even if that force is changing and that acceleration is changing, the force with respect to acceleration is still proportional. So kung maximum imong acceleration, kaya maximum nga distance, that's also the maximum force. Okay? So 0.253 kilogram multiplied by 12 meters per second squared. So alpha A times 12. So you have 3.04. 3.04 Newton. So that is the force. Okay? So realizing just this equation. Okay, thank you guys for listening.